Detailed exploration of the 12 zodiac signs and their symbolism. 1. Aries, 21st March to 19th April. Symbol Ram, element fire. Traits leadership, courage, impulsiveness. Ruling planet Mars. Symbolism Aries embodies the spirit of initiation and ambition. They often take risks and thrive on challenges, making them natural leaders. The Ram's assertiveness encourages others to pursue their goals fearlessly. 2. Taurus, 20th April to 20th May. Symbol Bull, element Earth. Traits determination, reliability, sensuality. Ruling planet Venus. Symbolism Taurus signifies steadfastness and comfort. They appreciate the pleasures of life and often work hard to achieve stability. Their connection to nature and beauty influences their artistic and aesthetic preferences. 3. Gemini, 21st May to 20th June. Symbol Twins. Element Air. Traits versatility, sociability, intellect. Ruling planet Mercury. Symbolism Gemini represents communication and duality. Their quick wit and adaptability allow them to navigate various social situations effortlessly. The twins reflect the dual nature of personality and the importance of relationships. 4. Cancer, 21st June to 22nd July. Symbol Crab. Element Water. Traits sensitivity, nurturing, intuition. Ruling planet Moon. Symbolism Cancer embodies emotional depth and care. Their protective nature fosters strong bonds with family and friends. The crabs symbolize the journey of self-discovery, as they often retreat into their shells when overwhelmed. 5. Leo, 23rd July to 22nd August. Symbol Lion. Element Fire. Traits charisma, creativity, generosity. Ruling planet Sun. Symbolism Leo represents confidence and flair. Their natural charisma attracts admiration and respect. The lion's regal demeanor embodies the importance of self-expression and creativity, inspiring others to shine. 6. Virgo, 23rd August to 22nd September. Symbol Maiden. Element Earth. Traits practicality, organization, analytical thinking. Ruling planet Mercury. Symbolism Virgo signifies meticulousness and attention to detail. Their analytical nature drives them to seek perfection in all they do. The maiden represents purity and a grounded approach to life. 7. Libra, 23rd September to 22nd October. Symbol Scales. Element Air. Traits diplomacy, harmony, aesthetics. Ruling planet Venus. Symbolism Libra represents balance and relationships. Their diplomatic nature seeks fairness in interactions, often acting as mediators. The scales highlight the importance of cooperation and beauty in life. 8. Scorpio, 23rd October to 21st November. Symbol Scorpion. Element Water. Traits intensity, passion, resilience. Ruling planet Pluto. Symbolism Scorpio embodies transformation and depth. Their passionate nature often leads them to explore the unknown, making them insightful and intuitive. The scorpion symbolizes the power of rebirth and renewal. 9. Sagittarius, 22nd November to 21st December. Symbol Archer. Element Fire. Traits adventure, optimism, curiosity. Ruling planet Jupiter. Symbolism Sagittarius represents exploration and knowledge. Their free-spirited nature drives them to seek experiences and wisdom. The archer's aim signifies the pursuit of goals and aspirations. 10. Capricorn, 22nd December to 19th January. Symbol Go. Element Earth. Traits ambition, discipline, practicality. Ruling planet Saturn. Symbolism Capricorn embodies responsibility and ambition. Their determination and discipline enable them to achieve long-term goals. The goat represents climbing to new heights and overcoming challenges. 11. Aquarius, 20th January to 18th February. Symbol Water Bearer. Element Air. Traits Innovation, Independence, Humanitarianism. Ruling planet Uranus. Symbolism Aquarius represents forward thinking and individuality. Their innovative ideas often challenge the status quo. The water bearer's role as a humanitarian reflects their desire to improve the world. 12 Pisces, 19th February to 20th March. Symbol Fish. Element Water. Traits Compassion, Creativity, Intuition. Ruling planet Neptune. Symbolism Pisces embodies empathy and artistry. Their deep connection to emotions and spirituality enables them to inspire others. The fish signifies the fluidity of emotions and the importance of dreams. Structure of the zodiac wheel. Geometric arrangement. The zodiac wheel is arranged in a circular format, starting with Aries at the top and moving clockwise. This layout illustrates the cyclical nature of astrological cycles and the passage of time. Elements and qualities. Elements: Fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius; Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn; Air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius; Water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Modalities. Each sign is categorized into cardinal, initiating signs, fixed, stabilizing signs, and mutable, adapting signs. This classification helps to understand how each sign interacts with the world and influences others. Houses. The zodiac wheel is divided into 12 houses, with each house representing different life areas such as self-identity, first house, relationships, 7th house, and career, 10th house. The position of planets in these houses provides deeper insights into an individual's life experiences and challenges. Planets. Each sign is ruled by a specific planet, infusing that sign with its unique qualities. For example, Mars, Aries, symbolize energy and aggression, while Venus, Taurus, and Libra embodies love and beauty. Understanding these planetary influences is crucial for a comprehensive astrological analysis.